Have you ever wished for a magical device that could handle all the cleaning in your home while you just relax? What if the cleaning chores could be done for you with the push of a button or even automatically when you're away? Well, in this video we're about to dive into 8 high-tech cleaning gadgets that can make your life a whole lot easier. From robotic vacuums to automatic toilet cleaners, these smart devices are revolutionizing the way we clean and maintain our homes. Stick around to discover how these innovative gadgets are changing the game. 1. Robotic vacuum cleaner for home. Are you tired of constantly sweeping and vacuuming your floors? Enter the robotic vacuum cleaner, the ultimate time saver for keeping your floors clean with minimal effort. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and smart navigation technology, allowing them to map your home's layout and clean every corner efficiently. Whether it's dust, dirt, or pet hair, a robotic vacuum cleaner can suck up everything without you lifting a finger. This gadget works on multiple floor types, from carpets to hardwood and tiles, and can be controlled remotely through a smartphone app. You can even set up a cleaning schedule so the vacuum runs when you're not home. One of the major perks is how it can reach places that traditional vacuums miss, like under furniture and tight corners. And don't worry about noise, these vacuums are designed to be quiet while working. With automatic recharging capabilities, your robotic vacuum always returns to its base when the battery is low, ensuring it's ready for the next cleanup session. 2. Robotic mop for cleaning floors. Next up, we have the robotic mop, an essential gadget for those who want shiny, spotless floors without lifting a finger. Think of it as the vacuum's best friend. Only this one is designed to tackle spills, stains, and dirt that need more than just a dry sweep. With a built-in water tank and smart sensors, the robotic mop can switch between dry sweeping and wet mopping modes based on the floor type. It can easily navigate your home, reaching even hard-to-reach areas like under furniture or along edges. With its customizable settings, you can adjust the intensity of the scrubbing depending on the dirt level. Plus, these mops return to their charging stations when the job is done, just like their vacuum counterparts. Minimal maintenance is required, with periodic cleaning of the mop pads and water tank. This gadget is perfect for homes with multiple floor types like tile, laminate, or wood, providing a convenient and hassle-free way to maintain cleanliness. 3. Smart dishwasher for clean utensils and healthy living. Washing dishes can feel like an endless task, but a smart dishwasher is here to make your life a whole lot easier. These dishwashers go beyond the regular models by offering smart features that allow you to control and monitor cleaning cycles from your smartphone. Equipped with sensors, they automatically detect how dirty your dishes are and adjust the wash cycle accordingly. Whether you're cleaning delicate glassware or heavily soiled pots, a smart dishwasher can handle it all with precision and efficiency. This device helps you save water and energy, adjusting the resources based on the load size. You can also set it to run during off-peak hours, making it an eco-friendly option. The remote control feature means you can start the dishwasher even when you're away from home. If you're someone who loves a clean and organized kitchen, this is a game changer, ensuring that your dishes are always ready when you need them. 4. Washing machine with smart features. Laundry day can be a hassle, but the smart washing machine takes all the guesswork out of the equation. These washing machines come with intelligent features like auto-load sensing, which determines how much detergent and water is required based on your laundry load. You can even control it remotely through a smartphone app, making it convenient to start the wash while you're out. Some models can send you alerts when the cycle is complete or if there are any maintenance issues, so you'll never be left wondering about your laundry. Additionally, these machines offer customizable wash settings, allowing you to choose the best cycle for your clothes, fabrics, and needs. They save water and energy by adjusting settings automatically, making them a sustainable option for the eco-conscious homeowner. Plus, they offer voice control integration with assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, making your laundry routine hands-free. 5. Air purifier with smart features. If you suffer from allergies or live in a highly polluted area, the smart air purifier is a must-have in your home. This gadget works tirelessly to remove dust, pollen, pet dander, and other harmful particles from the air, ensuring you breathe clean air throughout the day. Wi-Fi integration allows you to monitor air quality and control the device remotely via your phone. Smart sensors detect real-time air quality levels, adjusting the purification intensity automatically. One of the best features of these air purifiers is the smart modes, which can be customized based on your preferences, whether you're dealing with allergies, pets, or heavy pollution. The unit can also track filter health, sending you reminders when it's time for a replacement. With quiet operation, it won't disrupt your daily activities, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. 6. Automatic toilet cleaner with smart features. Cleaning the toilet is never fun, but with the automatic toilet cleaner, you can maintain a fresh and clean toilet without lifting a finger. This device uses smart technology to release cleaning solutions into the toilet bowl with each flush. It automatically removes stains, limescale, and bacteria, ensuring that your toilet stays sparkling clean with minimal effort. Some models even include robotic scrubbing capabilities to help break down buildup and eliminate odors. Not only does it keep your toilet fresh, but it also helps reduce the risk of germ buildup, promoting a more hygienic home environment. With smart scheduling, you can set it to clean at specific times, ensuring that your toilet is always ready to use without any extra work on your part. This automated solution is perfect for maintaining a clean, odor-free bathroom effortlessly. 7. Smart laundry folder. If you're someone who dreads folding laundry, the smart laundry folder will quickly become your favorite gadget. This compact device helps you fold clothes quickly and neatly, ensuring uniform folds every time. Simply place the garment in the folder, and it uses robotic arms or folding panels to do the hard work. It's perfect for anyone who hates the repetitive task of folding laundry, especially after a busy day of washing clothes. With its step-by-step process, it scans your clothes, aligns them, and folds them perfectly in seconds. Whether it's t-shirts, pants, or towels, this gadget saves you time and effort while keeping your clothes organized. It's great for families or anyone with a lot of laundry to do, as it provides consistent, neat folds with no hassle. 8. Smart Trash and Waste Manager Bin. Last but not least, we have the Smart Trash and Waste Manager Bin. This gadget is revolutionizing waste disposal by automatically sorting recyclables from non-recyclables. It's equipped with smart sensors that detect the type of waste and segregate it accordingly, making your recycling efforts much easier. Some advanced models even include compacting mechanisms, reducing the size of waste and allowing you to fit more in the bin without it overflowing. This smart bin can also send alerts when it's full, so you'll know when it's time to take out the trash. It helps create a more eco-friendly home by promoting recycling and reducing waste. Additionally, the automatic lid keeps unpleasant odors contained, and the device can sync with your smartphone to provide real-time updates on waste levels and even maintenance alerts. And there you have it, 8 high-tech cleaning gadgets that do all the hard work for you, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. These smart home devices aren't just futuristic, they're here now to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool gadgets and tips to upgrade your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.